What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I had a couple comments, guys asking me to do a review on the Edge CTS3 monitor. So I actually picked one up. I have one right here, Edge CTS3 monitor. And we're gonna unbox it and we're just gonna put it in this LML Duramax I have in the shop. And we're just kinda gonna go through some of the features and we'll get my opinion on it. I'm assuming I'm gonna love it because I love the Edge CTS2 monitor and this is just an upgrade. Like I said in my last video, if you watched it, I was just kind of wondering if you guys are interested in me actually selling hats and shirts and stuff like that online. If you are, let me know in the comments. It is something I plan on doing in the future. I just don't know when. And please hit that like button and subscribe. But anyways, let's get at her. So this is actually for a customer of mine, but he said I could open it up and do a little video on it. I'll just get rid of this plastic. Don't want to wreck it, I want to seem as untouched as possible. Got some stickers, owner's manual, quick install guide. Here's the actual monitor itself. Comes with the wiring harness. This goes to your OBD plug. This plugs into the monitor. And then if you run any of their aftermarket accessories like an EGT Pyro, it will plug in right there. And then of course you have your suction cup window mount. One last little thing, there's just a USB cable to plug it into your computer. One of my favorite things to do. I'll try to put this back on after. Be very careful with it. Okay, well let's go just hook it up to the truck. There we go. Okay, so we're in. Just gonna turn this key on. Classic GM problem there. Cool. Okay, so let's have a look at what we can do. First thing I want to say is just like this touchscreen is a million times better than the last ones. It almost, I mean, it's not like an iPhone, but it feels a lot better. Looks like there's tutorials. We're just gonna disable them for now. So there you go. You can, this is completely customizable. You can change the look of this, you can change all the colors, you can swipe to different gauge setups, and again I believe everything is customizable. You can look at all your different PIDs. Looks like if you want to change one of these guys, you can just double tap it, it'll load. Then you can select what you want. If we swipe up at the bottom of the screen, it gives us some other stuff here. Let's go to Diagnostics. Trouble codes, manual regen, mobile regen, injector balance. That's a really cool one. It's really cool how you can do the injector balance rates on here. So we're just gonna fire this up. So let's look at the balance rates. Wow, that's cool. All these balance rates look good. You don't want them, you kind of want them as close to zero as possible. You see the worst one, well we got that one's plus 0.9, 0.8. As long as they're kind of within, I say if they're anything more than plus or minus 4, then they need to be changed. But look at this. That's just such a cool feature that this Edge CTS3 monitor has. Keep in mind, you'll only be able to do this on Duramaxes. Cummins and Power Strokes, you can't do balance rates. Trouble codes, you can scan and clear codes. No trouble codes, you could clear, just go back. Let's go back up to menu. So you can do these performance tests, which are pretty cool. Basically, you can go 0 to 60, 0 to 100, quarter mile, eighth of a mile. Is that it? Oh, there's more. Save tickets. So if you click on one of these, I don't know if it'll let us do anything because we're not running, but basically you can do start. I believe it counts you down, and then you go, and it will data log everything. You'll see your speed, all that stuff, and then you can save it after. Just another cool feature they have. So what if we swipe down? Okay, wallpaper. Select the background. Let's see. Well, I like blue. I believe you can put your own custom pictures on here too. I'm not sure how. I'm assuming you'd have to plug it into your computer. Okay, that's kind of cool. I like. What else can we do down here? EAS settings, so that's like if you have any extra accessories like EGT Pyro. HP tuning, it looks like. You can do some tuning with it. Settings, you can, I'm assuming date, time, stuff like that. This thing does have an auto dim feature, which is pretty cool. So it should dim automatically at night. What else can we do here? Theme settings, okay, so, well, camera, what is camera? Whoa, that's cool. You can actually get a camera for these things. I didn't know that, so I don't know if that's kind of like a dash cam or what. Have to look into that more. It says there's no camera connected. You'll need our USB adapter or our camera kit. That's pretty cool. You can hit record here, which I believe will record all your PIDs, everything you're monitoring there, and that's good if you're trying to do some custom tuning for a truck. You know, you're putting bigger turbo injectors in, you just want to get the tuning just perfect. So yeah, you could record, do stuff like that. You can change all the colors of everything. Like there's a color wheel. It's pretty cool. It's a very cool little gauge here. They're very sleek looking too. They just look really good. They're very light. They feel good. They're pretty cool. Like, if I didn't have MM3 in my truck and spend so much money on it, I'd definitely like one of these. I might still buy one of these just to monitor my gauges, just because they look so much better, more modern. And all it is to install this thing is literally you just plug it into the actual screen here and plug it into your OBD plug. This thing should turn on and turn off with the truck automatically. You just obviously need to run this wire better kind of up through here and up your A-pillar there. Very cool design. Awesome monitor. I would highly recommend them. Like I said, their Edge CTS3 monitor was amazing, and this one just looks even better. Okay, I got her all back together there for Buddy. Shouldn't even hardly know we were in there. But anyways, guys, that is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to unbox one of those guys for you and kind of show you what they're all about. But yeah, I highly recommend them. Again, comments, let me know if you would actually want to buy some of this stuff. But yeah, any questions, ask in the comments as well. Look me up on Instagram at Dark Iron Diesel and shoot me a message. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.